This is Dr. Pam Grover, and I wanted to record a quick video about Armra colostrum. I heard about this about a year ago from a patient who was suffering from eczema, and she let me know that she had started it, and the eczema condition that we have been working on for about 5 years and had gotten about 60% improvement was now 100% better. And we have since had another follow-up 6 months later, and her eczema continues to be completely resolved. So I also decided to try it on several other patients, and so far I've had success with the Armra colostrum helping to clear up Crohn's disease, which was presenting with ulcers in the terminal ileum. Also some chronic constipation patients. Some were from IBS, others were from SIBO, and another case was microscopic colitis causing that. Heartburn, indigestion, reflux seems to be improving. Performance recovery is faster, energy is better, and still working on a few clients with getting on them taking it long enough to see improvements with hair growth. So a couple things that I know about just colostrum in general and how it improves the health of all these different things is that colostrum is the milk that a mother makes when she first gives birth to a baby. It contains a high level of natural antibodies. We often have leaky gut, which is being caused by the ibuprofen we used to take, some antibiotics we previously took. Sometimes it's even from other prescription medications that we are taking. So when we have a leaky gut, the cells that are tightly bound together by zonulin, which is the barrier between what comes into your intestines and your bloodstream, is then leaky and allowing things to come through before they are fully digested. So not only can yeast or bacteria that's on the food or fungus that's on our food get into our bloodstream more readily, but it also, the food particles we are eating are getting into our bloodstream before it's fully digested. So the protein or amino acid particles may look big and chunky, and that our immune system interprets that as it's a foreign invader, which is what creates some of the food intolerances that we develop. Also, some of this process with the leaky gut will cause some of the microvilli, which are like finger-like projections, giving us increased surface area to absorb our minerals like calcium, magnesium, zinc, selenium, molybdenum, but also the iron that we need and the the proteins that we need. So when we lose our microvilli, we also have reduced absorption, which makes us more tired, causes our hair to fall out. We can't heal from injury as well. And those of you who are using some LifeWave patches, we need those minerals and those protein amino acids to help our LifeWave patches to improve things like our GHK copper peptide and our glutathione production. So if you're trying to use your glutathione patches, then they may not work as well if you don't have a healthy intestine. So that is what Armra does help with. And lastly, just when we have overgrowth of yeast, bacteria, fungus, parasites, the natural antibodies in here will help us clear those out. So when you first start on the colostrum, you might want to go slow because you might have a die-off, what could cause a headache, could cause a rash, could cause some body aches. So 1 scoop of this is 1/4 of a teaspoon. It's not much, but some of you may need to start on 1/16 of a teaspoon. When you take this, you want to mix it with cold or room temperature water. Should not go anything hot, because one of the reasons that the Armra colostrum may be more effective for you than other colostrums you may have tried is because it is cold pressed. And that means that 30% of the micronutrients, it is 30% higher in micronutrients in the natural antibodies than the other competitors. All right, so that's my little blurb on the Armra colostrum and what I've been seeing lately. So have a great afternoon.